Real estate ay isa sa sikreto ng mga mayaman. Bakit nga ba sila nag-i-invest at bakit nga ba sila continuously bumibili even if marami na silang pera? Panoorin mo tong video na to, alamin natin kung bakit. Hi everyone, my name is Mark Dre Paloma and I've been doing real estate services for more than 7 years now. And I help people buy, lease, and sell their property for profit. Number one, because real estate is the best way and the safest way to preserve the value of their money. Or actually the safest way para mape-preserve yung pera mo. Because alam mo naman natin, at alam mo na rin na ang value ng pera is continuously bumababa. So if isi-save mo lang yung pera mo sa bangko, patutulugin mo lang yun doon, eh malamang sa malamang, hindi lang natutulog yun, but nawawala din yung value ng money mo. So it's a no-brainer na karamihan ng mga mayaman is bumibili pa rin sila ng property, not because they want to, but they have to. Kasi nga, they have to preserve the value of their money. So that in the future, kung sakaling gusto nila ibenta yung property, hindi lang ito na-keep yung value nila, then most likely, baka kumita pa sila. And number two, real estate is one of the safest medium or an asset where your money could grow. So this is one of the main reason rin bakit karamihan ng mga mayaman or gusto pang yumaman is nag-invest sila sa real estate. Bumibili sila ng real estate not just to preserve their money but for them to earn income through capital appreciation. And of course, number three, last but not least, one of the best thing about real estate, unlike stocks, bonds, cryptocurrency, and other investment, speculative investment, real estate is a flexible, it's kind of bit of flexible. Bakit? Kasi ito yung asset na pwede mo ang magamit. So, syempre kapag bonds or stocks yan, hindi mo naman siya actually magagamit. But real estate, imagine mo, binili mo yung property, magagamit mo siya, kung gusto mo siyang pagkakitaan, pwede mo siyang parentahan, and you earn through cash flow sa mga rental income. Iwanan mo lang siya dyan, mag-appreciate siya. So if you can imagine, real estate gives you flexibility both for personal use, cash flow through rentals, and investment through capital appreciation. Now, if you like this video, leave it a thumbs up and follow for more.